hoes.
What's going on, YouTube? Hope you guys having a great day and welcome back to another video. It's your boy Eric here, and I'm excited about today's video because I have a special video for all you Mopar guys out there.
Oh, that's a nice seal, yeah.
Yeah. Little bitty ones, like I said, a couple of
I would actually do the JB weld.
yeah, anything is seal it, yeah.
Yeah, anything is seal.
Yeah, because it's not going to run in.
Gee. Going good, brother. Gee.
Like it?
Love it. Love it.
Right.
Oh, he's right there, right behind you, right behind you. He's coming out.
Oh my God.
Look.
Dang.
I didn't even sand it down with the shit. But I figured I'm past. Oh, I sprayed engine enamel. Heat engine enamel. Yeah. I see all this right here is fixed. Once the windows in,
Gee, got the bee on it.
At least it's for hold.
Man, they may have two of them lights.
Yeah.
You found the second
Gotta
one?
get that bee again, boy.
Yeah.
I'm looking for some bulbs. I think I have the one that set them down. I should be.
I got
clean.
these.
You got extra?
I think so. Yeah. I think I have
Mine don't light up.
There's one right here.
Oh my God, did they come on?
Yeah, they work. I think I don't know if this one's good or
Oh,
not.
I'll test
but
it out.
I got more. I got a bunch of these.
You do?
Yeah. I can't tell on that one if it's burned down. Oh, you know what? That is burned down because
Yeah, it's toast.
it burned my damn whatchamacallit.
Straight
It was
pipe.
Light upstairs, and it burned down.
Woo, you just sprayed that last night?
Yeah.
Still giving off that smell.
Yeah.
No, that's a good job. It's way better. Now we gotta put a piece of metal under here and weld it up. Not with a brazier. That way, use the regular thing.
Yeah.
Damn, boy. What year is it?
69.
That's Ed's old car. The one that was in the shop
Yeah, the
forever.
one that's been in there.
Dang. It's been.
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
Nah. I ain't
Remember,
seen it in
look
months.
like a.
That's why, because I've had it.
Oh, okay. Dang.
Isn't it nice?
Hell yeah. Shit, you got competition now. Nah, you still got the original 68, so.
Yeah.
I don't know. See, he's got me all going. See, I can't have him outdo me. See, that's
I
the
know.
catch. See?
I know, man.
He done-
Shoot.
He done sat over there. He's going broke. This thing cost him like $1,900 this week.
Damn. She
No,
is.
but-
Yeah.
Hell, you know,
Oh my
I'd rather
gosh.
have no money in the car, wouldn't you?
I think I'd go with his plan. That thing's looking fresh, bro. I see them tires.
Yeah,
Oh,
tires
man.
and rims I just got.
You didn't hear what he fucking just went through?
With
The goddamn windshield wiper motor
Windshield.
was pulling power out of the whole wiring harness,
damn.
and it was sitting there being a heater.
Mhm.
The battery's going dead, burning all kinds of voltage regulators out and shit.
Yeah.
And he's like, this is making me and he just had enough sense to unplug it. All of a sudden, everything started charging.
Okay.
This and that, and he fixed it.
Dang.
I mean, it wouldn't go.
Charge
It was melting wires and shit.
Damn.
It was very bad.
Yeah. Yeah, the average guy would not know what to do.
Mm-hmm. So you didn't even recognize it. You need
didn't,
your
bro.
butt whooped.
It's been that long though, man.
You must have sat on that car 700 times. Remember, it
Awesome.
clogged up the shop forever.
Yeah, forever.
Yeah, this is what we're going to work
Damn.
on here in a day or two. These here rust holes right here. write it all out. You know, I got that patch panel in here for the charger. It is so similar.
Yeah.
It's freaking me out.
Yeah, probably ain't a whole lot different, is it?
But it looks very much like the same. I think we can copy it very easily. It's looking very, very, very close. That's crazy. Good copy. They were nuts. Don't you think he had good taste on the rims?
Oh, yes, he does, man.
Online, I found me a van on my bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 67 GMC. Yeah, I'm going to look at it right now.
245s in the front.
See, I got feed star covered with the car.
Yeah.
I got fans on both sides. It had, you know, leaky roof.
Yeah.
I couldn't give it to him with the swimming pool floorboard.
Oh, man.
Take a video inside.
Yeah, it's not finishing the inside because I don't have the console yet. Let's see. I got to get the center console for it.
Oh, yeah. Seat's still good. Damn.
Yeah, we covered all the seats.
Oh, you redid all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I did the whole interior.
Shit, the
Headliner,
carpet's
too.
good.
I did the headliner too.
Oh, hell yeah. That's clean, brother. Dang. The doors. Almost finished with that thing. This is a manual or stick?
Automatic.
Automatic, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see, the shocks don't go down. I mean, blunt line. Let go and it stops.
This is some old school stuff.
That's
Guys.
why you're using this.
Yeah, they're not hard to get because I got the problem.
I'm talking about these are on pickup trucks and everything. They're real standard. You just see in my truck, these yellow ones, I forgot what they are, the German ones or whatever.
Got a little paint on my back panel.
Yeah.
I had it covered up with everything.
Actually, you can clean that with
Yeah.
Oh, has that got cloth on it? No, that'll clean it. It looks beautiful. That's a nice job, though. You just
Really good job, bro.
Don't forget, though, you got to spray it underneath, though.
Yeah.
To make it really protect.
Classic, boy.
Yeah, it's got its own look, doesn't it? The shape.
The
The way
shade.
these quarter panels go out in the front, the car gets narrower at the doors. It gets
Yeah, I
wider
see
at
it.
the front and back.
I see it opens back up.
Yep.
That's that aerodynamic for you. You definitely need that B though, man, on your charger.
No,
That
you
thing
can't
is
have it on
clean.
his.
No.
His is a charger. It won't have the B.
Oh, okay. That's
We're putting
I
it
mean, you
on
can
to
put
make
it
it
on
happen
there, you
just for
know.
a picture.
Yeah, there ain't nothing that says you can't put it on, but
That shit is
they want to
Did you see the motor in this thing, Ray? Ooh-wee.
I've never seen the motor. Yeah. Gee. So which one has the bigger motor?
they're
68.
both the same, but his is the old style, which is better. This is just the motorhome engine.
It goes
Motor.
like the wind. Don't listen to him. It'll put you back in the seat at about 60. Everything comes to life. And it ain't even been tuned up yet.
Damn. That thing there's clean.
Yeah. It needs 2 of these on here, though. See, I'm
Yeah,
getting
I
ready
know.
to do. When you mash the gas pedal, it says very loudly, I need more air and gas. It just,
Oh,
You need to put
Motors too.
double carburetors.
Double carburetors.
Yeah. And that's what he's, he likes that idea too, Right now, I'm just glad to see it getting around.
Hell yeah.
You had all sorts of dumb stuff. The brakes were all frozen, rusted up. Yeah, the Ed car lives.
Lives on, man.
Mhm.
The legend.
Definitely leads on now.
Yeah.
Jeez. I wonder where it's gonna end up in the next 10 years.
Huh?
Where's it gonna end
He
up in
ain't
the
gonna
next
croak in 10 years. He's in love with it.
I didn't say he was gonna croak. Just saying. I didn't know if he was gonna sell it or
Well,
I don't
he's
have
in
any
love with
plans.
Corvettes, but these things are gold. Everybody wants them,
Yeah.
You can't. You get 50 calls a day if you ever advertise them. So it's not like,
Yeah.
can I ever get rid of it?
Right.
Shoot, man, there's people. These cars are going for 90,000 when you don't prepped out. With the big, a lot of people going crazy, making everything just so, personalizing it.
Right.
They're doing about 40 all original, but they're worth double if you make them, with the fancy wheels he's got, or roll cage or whatever people like.
Nice paint
They
job.
they go nuts.
Yeah.
Of course, the paint job could cost, if you drop this thing off and had the, custom paint done, it could run 28,000. He's got 2,800
Have you,
saved up.
You got cable, right?
Cable?
Yeah, at your house? Oh, shit, because there's a show, Motor Trend,
Mm-hmm.
and I forget the name of it. What is the name of that show? I can't remember the name of it, but it's nothing but Mopars.
No kidding.
Yeah,
Great
I was
Mopar.
watching it last night. This guy's got a friggin' collection of Mopars that it's like, it's not really a junkyard. It's a body man. He restores them, but he's got he's got
He's just
108
obs-
cars there, and most of them are Cudas and Chargers.
Just the good stuff.
Yeah. I mean, nothing but good shit. He's
Crazy.
got one car that he was working on. The episode I watched, it's only 2 of them cars ever made, and one of them is gone. So he's got the only one left. It's a 70 Superbee convertible with a 426 Hemi.
That is, I
And
can't
he's got
even
it
believe
restored
the
to
words
the-
you're talking.
He's got it restored like better than brand new.
Yeah.
I mean, that car probably go for $1 million.
You know what's happening with those though?
Uh.
As you might know, is if they're worth 800,000, and everybody's like, oh, there's no end.
Yeah.
They're going to start doubling in value every year and a half.
Yeah.
'Cause they're
Especially
just-
one. There's just only
Yeah,
one.
well, they're gonna. Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah.
go nuts.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
That Gas Monkey Garage had serial number 1 and 2 on the Firebird on one of his
Yeah.
shows. He got stupid money for them.
I'll bet.
Yeah, he sold them to a rich guy in Texas, an oil baron.
Yeah. That's about the only person that can afford it.
Oh yeah, it wasn't.
Shit.
I think he paid like 20,000 for them. He's got them running and everything, and he
Yeah.
got 90. No, so I think those were not fake. I think it was real.
Yeah.
No,
All right,
you-
I'm gonna run to Popka.
All right, be
Take
good.
a look at that. He wants.
Yeah. Hey,
Go in the back and take it from the back. The sound.
Give me 2 reps.
all right, you got to give us a 2-second reverse burnout. So let's see some
How the
dirt.
hell they gonna burn them?
It's just you. Uh-oh, you done let off the gas. Go that way. No, look out. Straighten up.
You got it? Jeez.
Okay. D15 B7 with a C6 head and I forgot what it was. P4A transmission. White 7 transmission.
Man.
And this is a 2000 EK hatch.
Shit. That thing gonna bring in more power.
Yup. We have
Right.
probably like, I don't know, close to 200.
200 is pretty good for a Honda.
Close to 200, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
We
So
got
you
it.
think you might work on it today, or you don't? Cause
No,
you're
no,
sick.
Not today, yeah, I'm sick. I gotta find bolts and everything ready to just mount.
Okay.
I gotta find my hardware real quick. And the ECU I got at the house. Put in a Fuck. A C6 ECU.
What year is this car? The model though?
2000 Civic.
2000. Okay.
2000 Civic.
Got the upgraded motor.
I gotta get a slave, the line. We got a little manifold. Oh, I also gotta buy the intake manifold, nigga. I sold all that stuff, thinking I wasn't gonna use it.
Right.
Now I need it.
Can't go to the junkyard and grab one of those?
I can. I really can. But I should. That's the best thing I should do right now. Go to the junkyard, pop them out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy this little stupid shit.
I need to head out there myself too, to be honest. Go check out some shit.
You need that.
Hey, shit, I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait for this shit to be built though.
Hell yeah. I got the wire harness inside and out, so all I gotta do is run everything, start working on this bitch.
Yeah, gotta get you some time off of work. That's what be killing it, boy. I work 5 days a week. Next thing you know, you got 1 day to work on your car. Cause the other day, shit, you need a damn break. Recover, shit.
At least.
Yeah, man.
It should be running like a week or two.
In the 2 weeks, y'all boys, y'all heard it now.
Lock it up.
Y'all heard it, 2 weeks. Woo. 2 weeks, y'all boys.